Okay guys, welcome back. All right, next we're going to be working on this place. Okay, let's try and understand what this is first. You can see this is an image. Okay, and then this is a text, another text, and then these are social media icons. Okay, and then there's we've already demonstrated how this work with this heading, how it works, and of course this divider. So we're just going to go straight to proceed. So this is what we want to edit now. Okay, don't okay, edit. Okay, here we are. So we're going to first of all insert an image. Okay, and as an element. Now you can click this plus button, or you can just come here, and then we're going to have an image. Okay, so that's number one. All right, okay, we're going to choose the image. Okay, let's say this. Okay, all right, then next we have the name of the person. Okay, so that is a text, so that's a heading. Okay, so I'm going to come here, another element, go to element. So I'm going to have a heading. I want it under. Okay, you can see it's under. So let's say name is Nancy. Okay, all right, then there's another one under. Not this one is not in heading, but a text. Okay, so I'm going to come here, get another element, click on text. Okay, and then drop it just below the Nancy. Okay, and what's the text? Let's say manager. Okay, now you discover that this text is a little bit far from the Nancy. Okay, so I want it to be a little bit closer to the name. Okay, so that is what we're going to define in advanced. Okay, that's where the margin now comes in. Okay, so we can give it a negative margin for the top. So just the top, I don't want it to be uniform, so I'm just going to click this. Okay, negative margin. You can see it keeps going up. So I think it's a little bit close now, so we can stop there. Okay, now the next element are what social media icons. All right, so I'm going to come back to my element. Okay, just search for social icons. Okay, so click on it and then drag, and then you drop just below the manager. Okay, so here we are, Facebook, Twitter, and okay, so I want it to come towards the left, so I'm just going to align to the left. Okay, and then it's looking a little bit big. It's a little bit big, so you can decide to define it. Facebook, Twitter, you can, maybe you want to add another item, you can just look for the icon here. Let's say you want to add let's see, okay, let's say you want to add a Vimeo. Okay, let's use Vimeo. Okay, let's say you want to add an email or something. Okay, so you can see that's another one right there. Okay, so like I said, let's define the size. Here you can define the shape, square, or you could even choose cycle. I think this cycle is kind of cool, so I'm going to leave it at cycle. Okay, now here you're going to define all the links. To define all the links inside, just click on the element. You can see that's where you put your link, put your Facebook address, click on this, put your Twitter address, click on this, put your YouTube address, and all like that. So first I need it's too far from this manager, so remember how we were able to shift this manager before, so we're just going to do same again by coming here and click this. So and alright, so I'm just going to move it a little bit upwards. Okay, that's okay. And then the sizes, we should be able to reduce the size. Okay, look at here. Okay, so I need something smaller. Okay, all right, you see that's so that's perfect. Okay, so what else do we need? I think we've been able to replicate this function here. So once you achieve that, okay, now you discover that our button has moved here because this image obviously has become bigger, because these two columns needs to be they need to be uniform. So I'm going to see how I can reduce this now. So let's go back to this column. Let's go back to this. I did this column. So I'm going to reduce this padding. Let's say reduce it to 200. Okay, we need actually much more below. All right, I think what we need to do is to adjust this image. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's adjust this image. Okay, and then you can see it's showing large. You can choose thumbnail. That is too small. You can choose medium. That is still kind of small. Okay, then we can choose medium large. Okay, that is big. Then okay, better still, let's just set custom. Okay, so let's say 100. Okay, let's see. Okay, now why you shouldn't use this custom, you might end up distorting the image. Okay, and which wouldn't make sense. All right, so you see, let's just see how that looks. Okay, apply. You see, you've distorted the image. Okay, so I'm not gonna choose that. So I'm just gonna stick with this custom. Okay, let's medium. Okay, if we're going to stick with this, it means that we have to reduce this. Okay, let's see about medium large. This is becoming too big. Okay, all right. Okay guys, you can just play around that. Then there's a link. If you want to add a link to this image, so that when somebody clicks the image, it goes somewhere else, you can decide to add that. So I think what we need to do now is to adjust this button. Let's bring it down. Okay, so I'm going to come back to edit the button. Okay, and then edit the button. Okay, I'm here, and to bring it down, go to advanced. Okay, let's say we have 1000. Okay, that'll be too big. Okay, but then don't forget this does have to be uniform, so let's say 500. Okay, still too big. 400. Okay, I think that's okay. I think they're the same level now, right? Okay, so I think we have succeeded in replicating and getting this back. Okay, so I'm going to click on update and see you in the next video.